Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and introduce to you week 2. If you scroll down here, next week 2 should pop open, or you can click it open, the Preterite, January 16th through the 22nd. So if you open this up, you just have a little decorative picture here. And then it tells you to study pages 202 to pages 208 and pages 222 to 224 in your text. After you complete this week's activities, you should be able to talk about events and activities in the past. And all of these assignments are due at the end of the day on the 19th and address SLOs 1, 2, 3, and 6. So again, just like from the week before, make sure that you watch the instructor videos. So if you click open the book, there are going to be various videos that go over Preterite and Imperfect. So you'll want to open, watch each of these, and remember that if you open them, you can go out to YouTube and watch the video here, or you can, use the other features and just fill up your screen so you don't have to watch it teeny tiny. So after you've watched the videos, then the next thing you're going to want to do is open up your class participation forum and just post here any questions or concerns. You just open it up and then post, which I can see someone's already posted, post any questions or concerns you have about the material and this week. Okay, and then if we go back to that week, the Preterite, the next thing, you have a cultural assignment. Your cultural assignment doesn't have anything to do with the Preterite. Periodically, I'll give you assignments that deal with culture in the chapter as well. So for the cultural assignment, there's a little quiz here, or cultural assignment Cuba. Open this whenever you're ready. And there's going to be various videos here as well that you're going to need to watch on Cuba. And then when you're ready, you hit attempt quiz now. I cannot remember. Okay, so there are a few short answer. Most of them are true, false. True, false, the computer is going to grade correctly. Short answer, more than likely it is not. So your grade may not be as high as you think it should be. So just keep that in mind. It's something that I manually have to grade, and I will only grade them after the due date. So if you finish it tomorrow, I'm not going to go in and grade your score. I try to grade everything week by week. So I won't get to these until starting Friday of next week. So not until the 20th will I start looking at them. Okay, so you've got the cube activity. You've also got an oral quiz. So when you go into my language labs for this week, you will want to pull open the quiz, and I'll show you that in just a minute. And also here, assignment 3 sends you out to my language labs, and these are the assignments that you are supposed to complete. Okay, so you have a link here, right here and right here, that will take you to my language labs. I already have it pulled open, so this is what my language labs will look like when you go out there. You'll click on the 19th. Your assignments will pop up here, and then you'll look back here for what's assigned, 639, 640, 641. So you'll make sure that you do those activities. Remember, there's going to be some extra stuff, some extra practice, and some extra tutorials. You do not have to complete those. And then in the middle here, you'll see your oral quiz. You'll open it whenever you're ready. You only get one time to complete it. And when it pops up, there's going to be questions. You're going to listen to this.
¿A dónde fuiste el fin de semana pasado?
So you'll listen to each question and then you'll record your answer. No fui a ningún lado. And then you'll hit play.
No fui a ningún lado.
And so you should be able to hear your response here. And so once you have all of those recorded, then you hit finish and submit for grading, and then I'll be able to hear what you've recorded. Remember that I will be using your rubrics. I think I've got them on the left-hand side here, grading rubrics to score you. And to make sure that the recording piece works right for you, you will also want to make sure that you have turned off your pop-up blockers, you've done your browser tune-up, and that your microphone is set up. So don't start recording until all of when you go into your browser tune-up, when you do your browser tune-up, if you're able to record there, then you should be able to record in the assignment. If you can't record in your browser tune-up, don't start the assignment. You need to contact me and we need to troubleshoot and figure out why it doesn't work. So, and just remember, you only have one attempt at it, so you don't want to open it and look at it. You should only open it when you're ready to complete it.